Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and safe. You are doing your works? Yes. Today our fourth class, science subject. In the classwork children, in the classwork, you have to write the second lesson question and answers. Question and answers. The 14th one, the 17th one, 18th and 19th. From the workbook, you have to see and write in the classwork. Yes children? Children, workbook part we are going to write today. The page number 11. The page number 11. Yes. Lesson number 3. Excretory system. Yes, children. First one. The multiple choice questions. What is the process of removal of waste from the body known as? What is the answer? The options are given there. 4 children. Which one is correct in that? The C is correct in that. Excretion. Yes. And name the part of the excretory system shown in the image. Shown in the image means the picture. Yes. What is the answer children? Kidneys. C. Option C. And fill in the blanks. The organ system which removes the liquid waste from our body is called the dash system. What is that? It is excretory system. It is excretory system. Yes. The dash is a pipe-like structure which opens outside the body. Children, fourth one. The dash is a pipe-like structure which opens outside the body. Yes, children? Answer, children? Urethra. Answer, urethra. Yes? Very short answer questions, children. Which part of the excretory system looks like a bag? Which one? The urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. Next, the sixth question. Which parts of the excretory system are bean shaped? Are bean shaped? It is kidneys. Kidneys. Yes? Okay, children. Page. Turn the page. Turn the page. The short answer question. Seventh one. Draw a diagram and label the parts of the human excretory system. See here, children. You should draw like this. Color it and label it its parts. Yes? Okay, children? Yes, children? I will move aside. You please take the screenshot of these answers. Okay, children? Write neatly. Yes? Children, the page number 12. True or false? Yes. Eighth one. The urinary bladder stores urine. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. It is true. Yes, children. The next one. The ninth one. Oxygen is thrown out as waste by the lungs. Yes. Is it true or false? No, it is false. It is false. Yes. 10th one. Skin is the largest excretory organ of our body. Yes? Is it true? Yes, it is true. It is true. The 11th one. Kidneys work like filters. Is it true or false, children? It is true. It is true. Yes? The page number 13. Short answer question. Yes? 12th one. How does the skin function as an excretory organ? Yes, the answer is here. The liquid waste from our body is thrown out in the form of sweat through the skin. Sweat is made up of extra water and salts from our body. Okay, children? Yes, I am reading once again, children. 12th answer. The liquid waste from our body is thrown out in the form of sweat through the skin. Sweat is made up of extra water and salts from our body. I am reading once again, children. The liquid waste from our body is thrown out in the form of sweat through the skin. Sweat is made up of extra water and salt from our body. Okay, children? Children, 13th question. What happens to the waste collected from the blood by the kidneys? Okay, the answer is here, children. Okay, children? Answer, children. Kidneys send all the waste to the bladder through the ureters in the form of urine. I am reading once again, children. Kidneys send all the waste to the bladder through the ureters in the form of urine. Yes, children? I am reading once again, children. Kidneys send all the waste to the bladder through the ureters in the form of urine. Okay, children? Yes, children, I will move aside. You please take the screenshot of these answers. Write neatly, children. Read and write. Okay. Children, 14th one, the long answer question. Lungs help in excretion. Answer the following questions to explain what is the waste that lungs throw out of the body, excrete. Tick the correct option. In the 4 options, which one is correct, children? The correct one is D. The correct one is D. You have to put the tick mark there. Okay? And the answer is during breathing, the lungs absorb oxygen from the air and throw out carbon dioxide. Yes, children? I am reading once again. During breathing, the lungs absorb oxygen from the air and throw out carbon dioxide. I am reading once again, children. During breathing, the lungs absorb oxygen from the air and throw out carbon dioxide. Yes, children? Multiple choice questions, children. 15th one. Which of the following may not be a sign of non-functioning of kidney? Non-functioning of kidney. The option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct in that? Which one is correct? Means the A, option A, the reddish eyes. Yes? And turn the page, children, page number 14. What will happen if the excretory system does not work properly? What will happen, children? Which one is correct in that? The options are given, 4 options are there. Which one is correct in that? Yes, which one is correct, children? Yes? The answer is C option. Yes, children? Okay? Yes, children, I will move aside. You take the screenshot. Yes, children, your homework is learn and write page number 5 from workbook in homework. You have to write from the workbook in homework and prepare for ST lesson number 1 full. You have to prepare. Yes, I will conduct a ST. Okay, children? Yes? Children, you have to complete your classworks, your workbooks, your homeworks and lesson reading. The lesson reading is very important, children. You have to read the lesson. Okay? And you have to prepare for ST. In time, you have to read the daily which the work is given, the homework, learn and write. If we are telling learn and write, means you have to write and you have to learn on that day that answers. Yes, children? Okay? Children, write neatly. Yes, when you are writing, you don't write the spelling mistakes. Don't write the spelling mistakes. Write neatly. When you are writing also, you should write A like this. Not this is O. Yes, and E, I, You people will write like this. The E as I, as same you will write. No. I, you should write like this. E, you should write like this. Yes, children? Okay? Children, in the cursive writing, you have to write B in this way. Yes? B-O-O-K, book. Yes? F, F-O-X, fox. See the F, it is coming down. Yes? B, F. Yes, you have to write neatly. Don't write B as the same for the F. Yes? Okay, children? Yes, children? Remember this and write neatly and don't write the spelling mistakes. Yes?